So you guys see this, how dirty this car is. It's when you have one kid, that's how much trash you're gonna have in your car. So this is the solution I found. Use a blower first. First you look around, make sure, find garbage, have a garbage can nearby, put all the garbage in there. Make another pile and take the rubbing mats out, and then you want to open everything out, and then you need a blower and turn it on and blow it out. So this is one of your first steps you want to do. See, it's much cleaner. Got some little stuff left over, but that's the next step. You want to take vacuum, and then vacuum the rest of the stuff you want to vacuum. So mama, I want to see his mama. So yeah, this is how I clean my car, my family car. I still miss the trunk, but can do the same thing here, and then the rest vacuum it out. Alright guys, this is one of my ways I clean my car, and hope you guys maybe use it once in a lifetime. Just test it out, and take care guys, have a good day.